situation in Karnataka with the rains have been distressing. Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai visited most of the areas to check out the situation today. It was reported that even Prime Minister Narendra Modi discussed the plan of the floods in Karnataka. Jawarharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research is one such location in the city which was affected drastically due to the rains. Speaking to Salar, Professor G.U. Kulkarni said the waterlogging has made the situation in the campus extremely difficult to function, with their power supply getting cut from time to time, and the flooding has damaged genetic samples that date back 25 years, besides destroying equipment worth several lakhs.
Well, see, our campus is situated at a place where a lot of canals are going through. They all got flooded, and so the lake is now, just showing its presence right in the campus. So the campus itself looks like part of the lake itself. And now our R&D labs, developmental labs, foundries, everything is covered with water around. And in some labs, water has entered. The water body covering the labs we are used to. But first time we have had the water entry into the lab, and that has caused a lot of damage.
And what about the samples, research papers and this?
Yes, I mean, research data all is in the cloud, that can be accessed, I don't fear that. But the problem is with respect to the samples, particularly the biological samples, which rather people study over years, and it's all related to gene related work, evolutionary biology related work. So from insect and animals, generations they'll be studying that. And those studies may be affected, we'll have to take a clear assessment. And besides that, we have very sophisticated instruments all around the campus here. And some of the sophisticated instruments have seen water levels and also moist conditions, which are not good for the health of the instruments. Though the electrical supply is cut off in most of the campus part, but we have to take a technical assessment to see how much is the damage to those important machines.